From EMD Automotive, 3997 there that I worked on before. I charged the battery overnight yesterday, and sorry, last night. This morning I checked it, still no good, this battery here. So we've got a new battery fitted. It's a brand new battery we fitted. Now we're just doing the current draw test to make sure there's no current draw before we connect the negative post back up. We're just watching the current draw on this car here to make sure it doesn't stay at 3.6 amps. And I'll make sure it's 0.0, probably 10 or 20, 30 milliamps. 30, 40 milliamps is good. So we're just waiting for the actual computer to shut down. But this one here is pretty bad, so that's why we put a new battery on. But every time we do a new battery, we have to do a current draw, just in case there's a little current draw on the car. Alright, we'll pause it there and we'll come back after the current draw. It's dropped down from 3.4 amps to 0.127, so it's still going, some of the ECU is still on, so getting close to 0.07. So 0.02, 0.03, like that, see, 0.06. 0.06, that's 60 milliamps. Okay, so if you come down here, you can look now, it's 0.019. That's pretty much 20 milliamps, 19 milliamps, 18 milliamps, which is really good for this car. There's no current draw whatsoever. Okay, so now I can actually connect the negative post back up, because every time I do a battery replacement, I always do a current draw, because if there's a current draw, like say 1 amp or 2 amp, there's no, you still got to replace the battery, but at least I can tell the customer that actually there's a current draw, so I need to fix the current draw as well. Otherwise the new battery will be drained and it will be flat. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.